Hello you beautiful people, Liquid here. Welcome to a brand new type of episode. I recently picked up a DJI Mavic Air, so welcome to the very first episode of two wheels and a drone. Let's get into it. Now for this very first episode, I have brought you to one of my favourite places to visit on the bike, and we are here in beautiful St Andrews, just in time for the sunset. So there you have it then, the first episode of Two Wheels and a Drone is wrapped up. Now having the Mavic Air means I can basically chuck it in my backpack and take you on my trips with me and show you some of the locations from a completely different perspective. The drone opens up so much more potential to these videos, so I really hope you've enjoyed this one. Thank you as always for watching, and until next time, as always, do take care and stay safe. This is Liquid, signing off. Now obviously this video would not be complete without the obligatory shot of me putting my gloves on. I always seem to end up editing my gloves putting on my gloves in videos. Anyway, the sun has disappeared. Let's head back to Dundee. Thank you as always for watching. You beautiful, beautiful bunch. Let's head home. It's time to go home again. It's time to go home again. It's a little bit chilly.